Greetings, in this quick video, I want to help you fix your Bluetooth speaker that no longer turns on. And at the very end, I want to show you the nuclear option that does tend to work with a lot of Bluetooth speakers that's not responsive. Now this particular one is a Sony, but I don't care if you have a Sonos, if you have a Bose, if you have an Ultimate Ears, an Anker, whatever version that you have. Sony, like I said, this should help you fix the issue. Now, the majority of the speakers do use a USB-C like this, USB-C cord. Some will use the mini, but most of them use USB-C. First thing I want you to do is to examine your cord and actually get a new cord. And I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get a new cord. A lot of times you'll see that that's the issue. If you've been plugging it up to a specific USB port on a laptop or a computer, try a different USB port. Try the one on the back. Sometimes the USB will go bad. Again, try a different cord altogether. You might have one laying around. If you have a wall outlet, you sometimes get a better charge from the wall. Go ahead and plug it in to the wall. If you don't have one of these, get one. And then plug it in, and then let it charge for a good half an hour and see if that will fix the cord from work, and a lot of times that you'll see that it will. If you have not done a factory reset, go ahead and plug it in. Now, of course, it might not power on. You've already tried this. What I want you to do is see if you can just hold down the power button on your Bluetooth speaker. You might see a light coming on. It might start blinking. But that will sometimes get it to work. If you're trying to pair it with an iPhone or an Android phone, go ahead and restart the phone altogether, and then restart the computer if you have it hooked up to a computer, and then let go of the power cord and the power button and see if that will work. Also try, if you see a Bluetooth button, hold down the Bluetooth button for a good minute and don't let go. Alright, if you have like a plus or a minus, go ahead and hold down the Bluetooth and the minus for a good minute, see if that works. And then also try holding down the minus and the plus for a good minute without letting go while it's on, if you can get it on. Now at the very end, I did promise you the nuclear option, and do not laugh. It does sometimes revitalize Bluetooth speakers, and this of course is if it's out of warranty, you don't have a warranty any longer, you've had it for a couple of years and you're ready to toss it in the trash, take it to a freezer in your refrigerator, and we'll go ahead and power it off. Make sure it's completely powered off. Put it in the freezer and let it sit there overnight. 24 hours. If it's over, no big deal. Okay, what do you have to lose, right? It's not working any longer. And what that does is it can change the chemistry of the battery on your Bluetooth speaker and actually start revitalizing it and making it work again. Take it out, don't turn it on. Let it sit for room temperature for a good hour, and then try to power it on and see if it works. If it does, great news. You might have saved yourself the Bluetooth speaker. Put in the comment section which one worked, but better yet, tell me what brand of the Bluetooth speaker that you have. Do you have a JBL? Do you have a Sony? Do you have a Bose? Do you have an Ultimate Ears, Anker? Whatever you have, let me know in the comment section. All right, make sure you subscribe.